Good day, good people. This is GM Tutorials. My name is Gad Mamba. I would like to discuss trigonometric again. I'm going to do some of the lessons. There are a lot to cover. This is trigonometry for N4 FET College South African System Engineering Studies. Alright, let's start with our lessons of today. Then today we are going to solve another kind of problem which is gonna be the question is use a diagram to evaluate the following. This one we need to solve bracket without a calculator. We do not need a calculator here. Without a calculator. Guys, without a calculator. Now, what are we exactly looking for? They say the question is if cos theta equals to -3 and theta is between 360. Remember, theta is between 180 and 360. Find. Now the question is to find the value of tangent theta times cos. This is what we are looking for exactly here. Now guys, once you have this kind of problem, let me give you a warning sign. Don't. Because some of the students will come, they say cos theta equals to -35, 3/5. They say theta will be, if you do this and then you substitute theta by here, means this is a 0. Don't. This don't. Do not use it. Don't at all. This is the right solution. How do you solve this problem? Let's write solution. Because thus you will need a calculator. We don't need a calculator to solve this kind of problem. How do we solve it? We say cos theta equals to -5. If you still remember the introduction, we said cos theta is at what? It is our adjacent, which is x, over hypotenuse. And then I told you that the hypotenuse must always be, thus is always a positive. This is where we need to make use of. This is a positive. All right. Now, therefore, your x equals to -3. Your r is at 5. Now, if you can see that, thus, we need to find our opposite side. And guys, you must remember that, because as they say, we need to solve this by drawing the diagram. This is the way our diagram will look like. If we need to solve the diagram, this is the way our diagram will look like. We need to draw the diagram, and then it says that this is the value of x. Remember, this is x and this is our y. Therefore, x will be here, -3. Are we together? This is -3. Means we need to make use. As they say to us, means this is 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, and this is 270 degree, and the one revolution is at 360 degree. Now remember that when you are solving this kind of problem, you first sketch. Then let's find y, which is our opposite side. Are we together? If you still remember from the previous video, if you do not understand, you can go back to our previous video to understand it better. Therefore, we know the relationship that we know that r squared equals to x squared plus y squared. We are looking for the value of y. What will be y? Y will be plus minus square root minus x squared. Why did I put this? I will explain. Because they will give us the condition. X and y can be positive or negative. Now let's substitute y equals to, we know y will be equals to plus minus, our r it was 5 squared minus negative 3 squared, means plus minus will be 25 minus 9, which is what, 16, means square root of 16 is plus minus 4. Now plus minus 4, then the question is, remember y, so y equals to 4 or y equals to negative 4. These are the two solutions. Now the conditions of this condition that was given to us, the condition was your theta supposed to be between 180 and 360. Now if you need to sketch again, if we have to sketch again, remember we have x is negative 3, r is 5, but we have y is what? Y is 4 or y. Then we need to make the right choice of y. This is what we are doing here. The right choice of y will be what? The right choice of y, remember our x was already given, which is a negative 3. Then we say y it is positive, which is 4. Y is negative 4. We have this. This is the first angle. We have that. That is to say, with aid of the diagram, the second theta can also be here. Now, from this condition, which was this, you can simply find out this will be eliminated. Therefore, this one will be eliminated. The right one will be y must be, the right one will be y must be positive, because exactly that, this angle theta here is between 360 and 180 degree. Now therefore this is what we're supposed to do in order to solve this kind of problem. Therefore you can say, therefore the right one will be y, negative. Now how do we find tangent? We know that tangent is given by opposite side over adjacent. Our opposite is y, our adjacent is what? Is x, which is what? Which is 4, negative 4 over negative what? 3. Now therefore our tangent theta is 4. Now what will be the solution? What we were calculating, we were looking for tangent theta times cos theta, which is what? 4 times, what is cos? Negative 3 over 5. Are we together? That's what we were looking for, because remember this was given, thus is the value which was given to us, which was a cos theta. What are we looking for? We are just looking for tangent theta with aid of a diagram. How do you go for it? You need to make use of a Pythagorean theorem. Now therefore, as we can solve this, you are going to have a negative 4 over 5. This is the way you solve this kind of problem. You see the way you can solve this kind of problem. Thank you for following us. This is GM Tutorial. See you to the next video.